All right, so the DALI name actually stands for Danish Audiophile Loudspeaker Industries. What that means is that we are 100% Danish-owned company with the traditions to back it up. And we are audiophile, meaning we're all enthusiastic about what we do here. This is not just a piece of work for us. And L for loudspeakers, because this is what we do. We try to focus on exactly what we are good at, and we have 35 years of experience to back it up. And I is for industrial, meaning that we are actually able to take this speaker and make it into thousands of the same type of speaker. So it means that when we design and develop a speaker, it's always meant for manufacturing to the wide public. That's exactly what the I in DALI stands for. At our headquarters, where we today have 22,000 square meters under roof, actually the factory has been expanded 5 times over the last more than 30 years since it was inaugurated. We have everything in-house. It means we have our own research and development facilities. We have our own QC department. And that's a quite important factor, because actually we have another factory which is owned by us, a pure DALI factory out in China, in Ningbo. And that is operated by completely same principles as you will see here. In our factory we have a very good combination of, you could say, robotics and handmade. So it means that some of the processes that we manufacture our products under are actually best suited to machines, whereas other processes, such as the polishing of this Epicon speaker, is done by hand. So here we actually use a lot of hand work. It means that you have 10 layers of lacquer, and between each layer of lacquer you actually have people polishing this by hand.